Visited and the mayhem moves on. Still to come, Yo MTV Raps at 8, followed by the Cheap Trick concert. In just about 30 minutes, Oceanside performances from the Escape Club, Was Not Was, and more. Right now, back to the pool for more remote control. My favorite channel is 7.
Kenny wasn't like the other kids.
Remote control.
TV mattered. Nothing else did.
Remote control.
Girl said yes, but he said
No. Remote control.
Now he's got his own game show.
Remote control.
And now it's his pool, it's his beach, it's his spring break. The godlike quizmasters of Daytona Beach, Ken Ober.
Hi, thank you. Thank you, thank you. How you doing? Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, thank you. You know, I've always wanted to do this. Let me do this one thing. I've always wanted to do this. Hello, Squares.
Hello, John.
I feel like John Davidson. Hello, Squares. Anyway, sail over here to the Hawaiian Tropic Gals and some big subtly dudes we found wandering around the beach. And you know something? You know, I'm very busy these days, and I don't think I take time to just show how much I care about my co-hosts. And, well, I guess we don't have time now, but anyway, here they are. Colin, Kari, and Steve. Right over here, say hello to these guys. And, of course, contestants, because without them, why, you'd just be watching my slides from Europe last summer. Anyway, here they are. Contestant number 1, say hello to Roger. Roger goes to University of Kansas. He's an MBA in finance, going for his MBA. Now, you're going for your MBA?
Well, yeah.
Now, that means you've already gone through college?
Once, yeah.
And you're trying to
graduate again.
Whoa, Raj, brave guy. All right, say hello to Carolyn in the middle.
Yeah.
Carolyn goes to Syracuse. Major in psychology. However, she is about to change to poli-sci. Now, why?
I want to be an international relations major so I can travel. I like to see the world.
I think I know what you're saying, Carolyn. No further explanation needed. All right, say hello to Jim on the end. Jim goes to Indiana. Jim, yo, babe, what's the deal? No major?
I have basically no clue what I'm doing. Not at all.
Well, you're just the kind of contestant we're looking for. All right, this is how we play our game. Up here you see the 9 channels. They're oil tanned and ready to go. All you guys got to do is choose one. They contain certain questions. Hopefully you contain coinciding answers. String enough of them together, and you're in the grand prize round, and hopefully going home with a whole bunch of prizes, etc., etc. In control is Jimmy.
Yeah.
Jimmy, go ahead, do it.
All right, Ken, I'd like the lovely lady behind channel number 9, please.
Channel 9. Name that weenie. Okay, boys and girls. It's time to play Name That Weenie. The channel lets my pal Colin do 2 of his favorite things. That's imitate celebrities and hold on to a weenie in front of a large group of people. Here we go. Okay, for 10 points.
Listen, on my show, I sink my teeth into some meaty issues. If some babbling, puking, liberal loudmouth gives me any lip, he better zip it or I'll bite his head off.
Okay, who is that?
I gotta go out on a limb and say Morton Downey Jr., Ken.
You got it, Jim.
Yeah.
10 points. All right, 10 points.
All right, Ken, I'm gonna change the channel and take number 5, please.
Channel 5. Very good. Elvis. You know, they must work out to just rip those shirts right off or something. Elvis, 5 points. Here we go. The blubber-and-case king of rock and roll enters a belly flop contest, but comes in second to his even fatter manager. Name the winner. Okay, Jimmy.
I'll take a guess with Colonel Parker.
Colonel Tom Parker, 5 points. Very good. Very good.
Just because Elvis is still dead, I'm going to stay with him.
Okay. Elvis again, 5 points. Excuse me, 10 points now. After Elvis demonstrates his karate skills on the 701 Club bouncers, he's thrown in the Daytona Pokey. What one of his most popular prison-related songs are you most likely going to hear him sing? Okay, that's Roger.
Jailhouse Rock.
You got it, 10 points, Roger.
I'll stay with Elvis.
Okay, Elvis. Closing Elvis up 15 points. While in Daytona, Elvis decides to get his wife's name tattooed on one buttock and his daughter's on the other. What names does the tattoo artist spell out on the respectable buttocks? Go ahead, Raj.
Priscilla and Lisa Marie.
You got it, 15 points. Apparently, Roger, Carolyn is still apparently a little shell-shocked over that beating by Georgetown. Am I right? Still shell-shocked.
Yeah.
What beating?
Go ahead, Raj.
I'd like to take your identical twin brother at Channel 2, please.
Channel 2. Saturday Night Live. 5 points. It's 11:32. Chevy Chase has just come crashing down onto the Saturday Night Live set. What's he probably going to yell into the camera? Jimmy.
Live from New York, it's Saturday night.
5 points.
Man, I gotta go with the girls, so I'm gonna change the channel to number 3.
I got to go with the girls. You hear them? Channel 3. I'm just thinking if I can leave notes there. No, okay. I've got to leave like a shopping list there. Anyway, spring break physics. Down at spring break, the only laws these kids understand are the laws of physics. Here we go, 5 points. Hoping to attract some rowdy frat boys, a co-ed from NYU keeps her shapely buttocks firmly flexed. As she relaxes her muscles, what force of nature will drag her butt downward? Okay, Roger.
It must be gravity?
It must be and is. 5 points. Okay, very good. 30 points. Jimmy has 20. Carolyn yet to score. Go ahead, Raj.
I'll stay with spring break.
Okay, spring break physics, 10 points. Half a dozen hairy guys from Philly drive to the Texan, where they rent a janitor's closet for $150 a night. If half the guys bring back bimbos, how many people share the luxurious accommodations? Okay, that is Carolyn.
Half a dozen.
No. Raj.
Is that 9?
You got it. 6 guys plus 3 bimbos equals 9 people, 10 points. Did you use your fingers?
I'd like to finish spring break physics.
Okay, one more time. This will be 15 points. And to close it out, how you feeling? Good. Okay, 15 points. If a University of Maine sophomores, Tommy and Chuck, barf continuously, they can fill a hotel room wastebasket in 2 hours. How long does it take them to fill a wastebasket barfing together? Okay, that's Jimmy.
I'm going to say 1 hour.
1 hour is right, 15 points.
Yeah! Go to Disney World. I'd like channel number 7, please, Kenny.
Channel 7, Mr. Baggy Pants. Yes, sir. It's a visit from Mr. Baggy Pants, the world's funniest man.
Hey, Daytona audiences are the best audiences in the world!
Hey, this is how we play Mr. Baggy Pants. He is going to start a joke, do a setup. You guys finish with a punchline.
Yeah, okay. Hey. You know, Kenny, he's like a saint, you know? He's like a saint. Well, he's like a Saint Bernard, actually. But no, speaking of toothpaste, hey. Gee, all right. Speaking of toothpaste, why did the boy throw his clock out the window?
Okay, that is Carolyn.
He wanted to see if time could fly.
Yes, 5 points. And that is the end of round 1. Thank you, Mr. Baggy Pants. Let's check the scores. Raj, you're in the lead with 40. Jimmy not far behind with 35. Carolyn finally got on the boat with 5 points, while Kari serves up a delicious semi-adult beverage. We will come back in a moment, play round 2, and the winner gets to take home this stuff.
Street Neat Leather Wayfarer Sunglasses by Ray-Ban. Elegant and embossed leather that's right in step with today's fashion. Wayfarer, the world's finest sunglasses from Bausch & Lomb. And it's a collection of Arista CDs with the latest hits from such artists as Whitney Houston, Billy Ocean, how apropos, and Taylor Dane. The Coleman Sandy Beach collection includes the Fiesta Cabana Beach Tote, picnic cooler, 1-gallon Polylight jug, beverage cooler, and 3-person inflatable boat from the Coleman Company. And Lloyd's portable programmable compact disc player with wireless remote control includes AC adapter and battery charger, carrying case, and audio connection cable.
When remote control continues.
Welcome back to the only game show taped live poolside at the Texan Remote Control.
Thanks, Carl. Okay, this is round 2. Round 1 was certainly exciting, 40, 35, and 5 are the scores. Round 2, pretty much a ditto. The only difference, the points are bigger. You gotta watch out, because the person with the lowest point total takes a dip, courtesy of MTV's Remote Control, to the bottom of the pool. You don't want that to happen. In the lead, of course, is Roger. And Carolyn, you have control.
I'll take, well, number 6 looks pretty odd. I'll take him.
Number 6, channel 6. Oh, with one hand, no less. Honeymooners, 10 points. Here we go. Who had more kids, the Nortons or the Cramdens? Okay, that's Jimmy.
The Cramdens.
No. Raj.
The Nortons?
No. Carolyn.
None of them had any kids.
You're right. They had no kids. 10 points. All right, Carolyn, you have 15 points now. Still in 3rd place. Go ahead.
I'll go to channel number 8.
Okay, channel 8. Okay. Channel 8 inside Teeny Others. Remote Control boldly goes where no game show has gone before. Inside Teeny Others. Here we go, 10 points. Athletic Tina wins the big belly flop contest, but sustains an injury that requires rhinoplasty. What part of her shapely body does the plastic surgeon have to reshape? Okay, that's right, Kellen, 10 points. Rhinoplasty, her nose.
I'll stick with inside Teeny Others. I'll stick with number 8.
You'll stick with inside Teeny Others. Continuing inside Teeny Others for 20 points. While retching violently, Teeny Others gets her head wedged in a toilet. What hollow bony structure protects her brain from further damage? That is Carolyn again.
Her skull.
Her skull. Yes, 10, 20 points. Her skull. Or her cranium. You are in the lead now, Carolyn.
I'm going to close out channel number 8.
Okay, inside Teeny Others one last time, 30 points. Tina is being chased through Daytona by a pack of wild squirrels. To bring her down, they chew through the tendon that connects her calf with her heel. Name said tendon. Okay, Roger.
Achilles tendon.
That is the Achilles tendon. Very good. Thank you very much, sir. Pick up your check and your playbook. Okay, go ahead, Raj. You have the lead now.
Number 5 is just giving me the eye.
Is that true, huh? Number 5, Studboy. By day, he bags groceries. By night, he dreams about celebrity bags. Evening guest, celebrity of Studboy's day. Studboy.
Hello. Yeah.
Studboy. You know, this is spring break, and, you know, safe sex is on everybody's mind. Do you have any safe sex tips for
I'll give you a tip. Yes, Ken. I believe safe sex is similar to parking your car. Always look both ways before pulling out. Ah!
Thank you.
Yes. All right. Here are the questions. Yes. I said to her, "You don't look half bad after getting out of the Betty Ford clinic." Whispered that to her while licking her little pug nose. "Want to mambo?" I asked. Looking at me with her violet eyes, she said, "Okay, dokie." Then she snuck out of the room with George Hamilton, a pale imitation of me, the stud boy.
Who is he talking about, Carolyn?
Elizabeth Taylor.
You got it, 10 points.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want to do? 55 points down here in 7th place.
I like Studboy. I'm going to stay with him.
Okay.
Okay, Studboy.
You know, I was dreaming about this girl, touching her red hair that was in a bun, and when she had her little skirt revealing her creamy Neanderthal thighs. as I was just touching her cartoon feet, her husband came home and pummeled my finely chiseled body. Even cartoon women cannot resist. He's Studboy.
Who's you talking about, Carolyn?
Jessica.
No. Someone else, Raj.
Wilma Flintstone.
You got it, 20 points. All right, Raj.
Stud continues.
All right, here it goes. You know, as I crept in her chambers, I knew the Supreme Justice would soon know supreme pleasure. She was no stranger to hung juries. You know, I ripped her robe off, and we both set a precedent, a major one. Even Supreme Justices cannot resist. He's Studboy.
Who's he talking about, Raj?
Sandra Day O'Connor.
You got it, 30 points. Thanks, Studboy.
Thank you, Studboy.
You have a huge lead, 120. Carolyn, 55. Jimmy has 35. Go ahead, Raj.
I'll take Channel 3, please, Ken.
Channel 3, the Brady Network.
Yeah. All right.
10 points. Yo. Which Brady has the same name as an English policeman? Okay, Jimmy.
Bobby.
You got it, Bobby Brady. 10
I'll
points. 45. Oh, that is the end of our game proper. Jimmy, you're in the brink, babe. Okay, now it's time to get down to the nitty-gritty. This is our lightning round, 10 points each, 30 seconds. This could and will probably decide the game as we know it. 120 points has Roger, 55 points Carolyn. Here we go, 30 seconds, 10 points each. In honor of all the fun you can have on Daytona Beach, I changed the title of some popular TV shows. For example, if I said, I dream of sand up my shorts, you would say Genie. Very good. Here we go, 30 seconds, 10 points each. Lifestyles of the rich and sunburned. Raj.
Lifestyles of the rich and famous.
Yes. Mork and medical waste. Carolyn.
Mindy.
Yes. Joni loves big hairy guys in Speedos.
Chachi.
Yes. Win, lose, or drown.
Draw.
Yes. Gilligan's tan lines. Carolyn.
Island.
Yes. Courtship of Eddie's sunstroke.
Father.
Yes. Leathery skin and Shirley. Raj.
Burn.
Yes. Blister Ed. Carolyn.
Mister.
Yes. It's Gary Shandling's Crabs. Yeah, show. You did it, Raj. Carolyn, you're sleeping with the fishes, babe. Congratulations, Raj. You're headed towards the floating Craftmatic adjustable and hopefully all this stuff.
The weatherproof Konica MR640 is the perfect 35mm camera for the action photographer, featuring wide-angle and telephoto lens, auto rewind, plus color print film from Konica. GE's Audio Home Music Center delivers a programmable CD player, dual cassette deck, 2-speed semi-automatic turntable, and AM/FM tuner with graphic equalizer. To unlock your body's potential, we proudly offer Solo Flex. 32 iron pumping exercises, each correct in form and balance. Solo Flex muscle machines, weightlifting pure and simple. Make your own music videos, dudes, with this Zenith VHS camcorder. It's easy to use with a powered 300mm lens and high-speed shutter. Catch all the action with Zenith.
When remote control continues, I think there's something seriously wrong with my body.
Okay, Raj, congratulations. You are sitting pretty in a leisure flotation device in this beautiful pool, staring up at this 35-inch Zenith. You probably feel a little like Donald Trump, huh? Don't worry about it. Here's the deal. We are going to be showing you 9 videos. You will have 4 seconds per video. If you get all 9 videos right, my little flotating friend, you take home today's grand prize.
Hey, dudes, an Eliminator 250. You guessed it, the most radical-looking little power cruiser that Kawasaki makes. The Eliminator 250 lets the good times roll.
Okay, Roger. Folks, quiet down. Give Raj a chance. Raj, this is what you're looking at. You get 9 videos, 4 seconds each. They'll run one after another, 36 total seconds. Good luck, buddy. Here we go. Tell me the end. You too, right.
Joan Jett,
right.
Midnight Oil.
Yes, number 3, Midnight Oil.
Cher.
Yes, 4, Cher.
Steve Winwood.
Steve Winwood, right. 3 more.
Cheap Trick.
Cheap Trick, right. 3
Tina
more.
Turner.
Tina Turner, right.
What? Guns N' Roses.
Guns N' Roses, yes. 1 more.
Okay, that's it.
Oh. You got 8. Number 9 was Keith Richards. Take It So Hard, but you're taking home the Ray-Ban CDs, Beach Package, CD player, camera, stereo system, Soloflex, and the camcorder. That's remote control from the Texan at Spring Break. Adios.
All our wet and wild contestants receive this. LA Gear, the #1 choice in fashion athletic footwear. You've got the moves, we've got the shoes, like the Shar, LA Gear. And with this Zenith multi-brand remote control, you can operate most brands of TV, VCR, and cable converters. Enjoy the convenience of remote control from the company that invented it, Zenith. And the big losers take home this stuff. Tape. Hit the beach, kids, with SKC audio tape. You'll receive an SKC beach bag loaded with 18 quality audio tape. Nobody carries a tune like me. No, like SKC. And from MCA, a private screening of Fletch Lives for you and 100 friends in your hometown. Plus the Fletch home video on MCA. Promotional considerations provided by Zoot Suit, for those who dare to be different. A fantastic new line of swimwear. Create your own look in hot colors and prints. Zoot Suit. Hey dude, check it out, man. Permit's real. Get real. What's the deal? It's Permit, dude. Permit's the way to move. Be shrewd, wear Permit. And turn heads with high hair from Wella. High hair cleans, conditions, and styles with sensational volume. Available in professional hairdressing salons near you.